Cyclone Mandis made landfall around 10:30 p.m. on Friday and crossed the coast near Mamallapuram, that is Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu, between Puducherry and Sriharikota around 1:30 a.m. Heavy winds with speed up to 75 km/h were recorded. According to the IMD, the cyclone has weakened into a deep depression after completing its landfall and will further weaken into a depression by Saturday noon, that is today noon. Chennai witnessed heavy rains and storm as the cyclone made its landfall in Chennai on Friday night. According to the reports, around 800 trees were uprooted due to the cyclone, and the streets of Chennai are facing heavy and severe waterlogging. However, major damage was averted due to proactive measures taken by the authorities, the officials said. Proactive measures were taken by the airlines and the Chennai airport authorities as well. Ahead of the landfall, 13 domestic and 3 international flights were cancelled at the Chennai airport due to the bad weather. Passengers are requested to check with concerned airlines for further updates, tweeted Chennai International Airport. Cyclone Mandis was earlier classified as a severe cyclonic storm, the fourth highest category, meaning winds of 89 to 117 km/h, though the intensity lessened later. The storm was later classified as a cyclonic storm with winds at 62 to 88 km/h. Even though the intensity of the storm was lessened, 3 districts are on red alert: Chengalpattu and Kanchipuram, that border the capital Chennai, and Villupuram just south of them. Schools and colleges were already shut in 12 districts of the state, including Chennai. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin visited and inspected the State Emergency Operations Centre, Chipok, amid the cyclone's severity. He said that the monitoring of the cyclone has also been deployed district-wise. Whatever the situation may be, government will ensure the protection of the people. District-wise, the monitoring of the cyclone has also been deployed, said Stalin. Stalin further urged the people to follow the orders of the government and cooperate with the government. Neighbouring Andhra Pradesh may also be affected. The cyclone would continue to move west-northwestwards and cross North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh coasts between Puducherry and Sriharikota around Mahabalipuram during the midnight of today, that is 9 December, to early hours of 10th December. The statement by Indian Meteorological Department read. A storm warning flag was hoisted earlier on Friday at the Puducherry port, and fisher folk were asked to not venture into the sea. The National Disaster Response Force is ready in Chennai. The Greater Chennai Corporation ordered to close all the parks and playgrounds.